Okay, let's make the correction. From the beginning, there was a buzzing expectation that XRP would hit the historic $10,000 level. Recently, that prognosis got a big boost, and guess what? And now we're talking about BlackRock's Larry Fink supporting this. Let's say he is talking about more than just the pathetic $10,000 per XRP. Oh no, he's calling it a fundamental necessity. Before we dive into today's article's primary topic, let's quickly catch up. Do me a favor and join our amazing community by clicking the like button, subscribing, and ringing the notification bell. The juicy part is here. Imagine if giants in the financial industry like Vanguard and BlackRock are now seriously considering using XRP in their international transactions. And hold on, things will get better. There are rumors that BlackRock will launch an exchange-traded fund ETF that concentrates on XRP. You heard right. But there's more. Larry Fink didn't stop there. He is looking at a $30 trillion real estate market. But what lies at its core? The XRP ledger is prepared for tokenization. You got it. The International Swaps and Traders Association, or ISDA, is also planning to send an astounding $1.20 quadrillion through the XRP ledger and rippling it. We're not talking about $10,000 per XRP. That's very simplistic. XRP's value could rise to as high as $60,000. Isn't it amazing? Now let's move on to the next section. Larry Fink of BlackRock made another startling discovery. He's not just talking, he's acting. For Ripple and its digital asset XRP, a big development that will tokenize everything is about to happen. We also have a footage in the next part of our movie that will definitely get people's attention. Larry Fink directly confirmed BlackRock's move to create XRP ETF. We shouldn't wait much longer as a result. This clip is what you've been waiting for. In recent days, there have been a lot of anomalies in the cryptocurrency market, particularly with regard to XRP. Imagine that on the renowned international exchange Crypto.com, the value of XRP surged to an astounding $43,000. This is not a singular occurrence. Instead, it is a component of a broader trend of XRP's value abruptly increasing. Remember how we talked about a $7,000 XRP glitch at a big exchange last week? It's now the turn of Crypto.com, and it seems that these sudden spikes in the value of XRP are occurring often a number of exchanges. But let's shift our attention and discuss something similarly fascinating that I found through a great deal of research, and that is unrelated to BlackRock or the overall rise in the XRP market. We'll talk about Gary Gensler, the well-known SEC chairman who succeeded Jay Clinton. As you may already know, XRP is consistently categorized as a security by Gensler. The intriguing portion starts at this point. Gary Gensler's identical twin brother, Robert M. Gensler, is the same age as Gary and looks remarkably alike. Robert is an important member of the T. Rowe Price team as vice president. A closer investigation reveals that T. Rowe Price is not your typical investing firm, rather. It is one of the major players with sizable holdings in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and yes, XRP. This relationship is therefore fascinating. Although Gary Gensler, the head of the SEC, continues to classify XRP as a security, his twin brother is extensively involved in an investment firm that is a large investor in XRP and other cryptocurrencies. It's an interesting difference that raises a number of issues about the intricate procedures involved in Bitcoin laws and investments. This brings us to a fascinating possibility. Is it feasible that Robert Gensler, the vice president of T. Rowe Price, have special information of Bitcoin and Ethereum? This idea is supported by the company's sizable holdings in these three cryptocurrencies. Despite the SEC's outspoken opposition to insider trading, a number of research and publications have suggested otherwise. These investigations, which have centered on market manipulation and insider trading, have often highlighted questionable SEC practices. It appears like a trend is emerging. SEC officials seem to be educating their relatives about digital assets that might soon no longer qualify as securities. When the asset is officially declared non-security, the value of the initial investments made by these family members surges, allowing the friends and family to profit handsomely from modest purchases and high sells. Let's consider the possibility that Robert N. Gensler may have been aware of the potential loss of the SEC's case against XRP due to his brother's involvement. Gensler Gary, given the likelihood that Congress will push for a settlement between Ripple Labs and the SEC, prudent investors might want to purchase XRP at this time. But a deeper depth is added to this scenario by seeing the real price migrate money more and more toward Bitcoin, Ethereum, and most significantly, XRP. While the cryptocurrency industry is buzzing about the possibility that XRP might reach astounding highs of $10,000, $20,000, or even $60,000, Jack the Ripper and other analysts who have been bullish about XRP predict a massive surge in value that would cause it to surpass $589. This prediction, however bold, demonstrates the heightened curiosity and speculation about XRP and its potential in the cryptocurrency market. Wall Street may want a piece of the lucrative XRP market, in my opinion. The first big step will be an XRP ETF. But let's take a closer look at this tendency. We have some great news from Crypto Basic. The analyst's assertion that JP Morgan had made a significant move into XRP has drawn attention from a former Ripple director. This news made me wonder, and I think we should talk about it more. This is how the story develops. Ben Armstrong, formerly of the BitBoy Bitcoin brand, brought up some controversial claims about JP Morgan's alleged involvement with XRP, to which an ex-Ripple director replied. Armstrong, a well-known figure in the cryptosphere, revealed this in a number of posts. He asserts that JP Morgan has acquired a huge 7.5 million XRP tokens. Armstrong goes on to say that this deal represents about 7.5% of JP Morgan's total wealth. Hold on though, because this math seems totally wrong. At $4.46 million, 7.5 million XRP is not even close to 7.5% of JP Morgan's fortune, given that the company's total assets as of 2023 are an incredible $3.89 trillion. Armstrong made a computation that is not totally correct. However, Armstrong emphasizes the significance of JP Morgan's alleged strategy, suggesting that they are secretly storing XRP. According to him, this positions JP Morgan as a major player in the Bitcoin market. It has been reported that Wall Street giants like JP Morgan may enter the cryptocurrency market, specifically with XRP. It's nevertheless important to take into account that major financial institutions are entering the Bitcoin market, even though the numbers may be a little questionable. With XRP at the center of a number of fascinating events, it points to a larger pattern of traditional banking engaging with the world of digital currencies. Armstrong's bold statements have also drawn attention to Blackrock, a major player in asset management. In response, he stated that Blackrock is now taking XRP into account for its investment portfolio following the approval of its iShares Bitcoin ETF. Then Armstrong went on. He is also concentrating on the continuing legal dispute between Ripple and the U.S. SEC. What does he think? Despite the legal drama, these titans of finance have made aggressive investments in XRP, demonstrating their strong belief in the cryptocurrency's promising future. Major financial organizations are betting on XRP, despite its unstable regulatory environment, if this accumulation pattern is correct. Here's the thing, people. There was always a chance that Wall Street might embrace cryptocurrencies. At the time, it looked like a pipe dream, despite the fact that I have been talking about this for almost 5 years. Look at us now, though, with Bitcoin at the forefront. Do you believe that XRP won't follow suit? I would have to respectfully disagree. When matters more than if. Armstrong's portrayal of the specific circumstance, however, it might not be the whole picture. But the plot gets more complicated. Armstrong's shocking accusations were met with a fair amount of skepticism from former Ripple director Matt Hamilton. Given the abundance of XRP, he questioned whether such a purchase was legal and what impact it would have on the cryptocurrency. Then Hamilton takes out a calculator. 100 billion XRP are in circulation, so 7.5 million XRP is a pitiful 0.0075%. I assume this is a fake account